Hello everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for October 2020. We'll just get right into this video. So I have not opened it yet, so I do not know what's inside, so we'll just open it together, of course. I'm just using a pen to open it. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so the theme this month is Candy Shop. And that's what the card looks like. It'll focus in. Okay, I don't want to see what's on there. So the first thing that I see is this, and I was actually thinking about this today. I've already actually received 2 of these in my boxes. So this will be the 3rd one that I've received in probably about the last year. But I'm not mad because I was actually wanting to purchase one of these. I know some people would probably be irritated by that, but I was using it this morning and I was like, I'm almost out of soap. So this retails for $20, and it is in the scent Cherry Tonica Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. This one smells super good. Oh my goodness. That one smells way better than the last one that I had. The last time I got 2 of the same actually scent. I didn't even know they came in different scents. But this is cheap, 20 bucks, and it lasts like at least like 2 to 3 months, so it's not bad. It has a lot of soap inside of it, so I am super excited about that because I already know that I love this. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is whatever this is right here. Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. Okay, so I have tried the regular, just like it's a lip gloss, but I didn't even know they had tinted lip colors. This actually retails for $20 as well. It's by Sol de Janeiro. I love their brand. I love the way their stuff smells. That actually smells like a crown. Not good smelling. That's the first thing that I've ever have bought or tried from their brand that actually does not smell good. It smells like a crown. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. And that's, I don't know. We'll have to try the color out later. I actually already have stuff on my lips. But I don't know how I'm going to feel about having a crown tasting thing on my lips. I usually don't really like the smell of crowns. But, yeah, I guess I can try it out. If you don't know, I do post videos of me trying on the different stuff that I've got throughout the month. I just like upload videos throughout the month. So if you want to see those videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified when I do upload those videos. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this right here. As you can see, I just pulled it out. It is floating on the top. I don't know what's in it. It looks like a makeup bag or something. But it feels like there may be brushes inside of it. So if I can get it open, I'm just going to pick at it from this hole. Okay. And this is by Luxie because it says Luxie on the thing. I like that it came with a package, like a little container to carry them. Okay, so these look pretty nice. Let me go ahead and just take the wrappers off so that I can show them to you guys. They don't have like a strong plastic smell or anything, which probably helped them actually being inside of a little case because it didn't trap the smell in. So I've got a big like angled blending brush. They're really soft. This is like a standard, like just crease brush that you would use on the outside. They do have numbers. This is a 205 and this is a 207, the first one that I showed you. And then they have a packing brush and it is a 209, and this is just kind of all over the lid, or you can blend with that one. And this is a small blending brush and it is a 237, so it's just a little smaller one, and a eyebrow and lash brush, and it is a Luxie 201 brush. So I like these two to do my brows. So I'm really excited about that. That was really good. I always love brushes just because I'll have a ton, but I don't like to wash them all the time, so this saves me. But when I do have to wash my brushes, it's insane. I like have piles. So that's really nice, and that retails for $40. So far that's $80 just in the stuff that I've showed you. Okay, so the next thing that I see in this box is this right here. And it is a Dulce of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. Okay, I did pick this. This was a choice. And I got the shade 09 Light. I'm hoping that it actually matches my skin tone. And this retails for $42. So, let me go ahead and just put a little swatch right there. It seems like a really nice concealer. It's kind of like creamy. It kind of reminds me like of the It Cosmetics concealer. Seems like it has really good coverage. It's really light, which is nice because I like my under eyes to be a little lighter than the rest of my face. And like I said, that retails for $24, so I'm excited to try that. That's why I picked it. And I think this is the last thing that's in the box. Yeah. And this is... I can get it out without getting this stuff everywhere. This is Ciaté London, the Editor Palette. I like the packaging. It's really pretty. Okay, if I can get it open, see what I got. Okay, ooh, I like the color so far. That is such a pretty palette. It's like a light pink. I'm sorry I'm having to record from my room right now. It's like, I will never get this. Ooh, look at those colors. I can't wait to try this out. They really don't have a smell. But those are some pretty colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple for you. So let's start swatching. I'm going to go and try this first shade right there. It's really pretty. They feel really nice. Kind of a little chalky though, and it kind of blend out to nothing. So not really impressed with that color. Let's try this one right here that has a little more pigment. It's really pretty, but it kind of, same thing, almost blends out to nothing. So you probably had to really, really stack these colors. Let's go with a dark one right here, dark brown. Again, like really chalky. So I don't know how this palette, I'm going to try this blue. And then next I'll try like a metallic one. Okay, that blue's really pretty, and it like actually was not blotchy. Let's go ahead and try this metallic, because I know it's fall and I know a lot of people are going to gravitate to colors like that. It's okay, not one of the best. I'm going to go try this green because that's another really pretty fall shade. Yeah, it's like it looks really pigmented inside the pan, but when you actually swatch it, I mean, that one was a little more buildable with 2 coats. I guess I will try them out, so stay tuned for that video if you want to see how this palette actually works or see what I can create with it. And this retail is for $32. That's expensive, but eyeshadow palettes are pretty expensive, and I mean, if they work good, it does come with a lot of shades. And that's the thing about palettes. Like sometimes I'm like, really chalky and stuff. And then when I put them on my eyes, I end up loving them. So I'm not knocking. I may end up absolutely loving them. That's just my first impressions. And I believe that's all that's in the box. Let me go ahead and make sure. Yeah, that's it. So let me go ahead and add all this up and see how much this retailed for. So the total value of this month's box was $136, which is amazing. I only paid $25. If I did not say, I don't think I did, I got variation number 24, and you can tell because it has in the corner the number 24 with the heart beside it. And I will post the dimensions and how much the box weighed in the description box down below. So if you want to see that, it will be down there because I forgot to look it up, and I'm actually using my phone right now, so I will put all the info down in the description box. But that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.